important for me to be here today because out of high school I didn't really know what I wanted to do, but I really found that I wanted to be a diesel mechanic. I really loved the idea of working on big trucks, and I loved working with my hands as it was. I did landscape and I always had to be moving. I loved the aspect that something was broken, you take it into the shop, then it comes out better, usually. And even if you can't figure it out, there's people that can help you, and I really love that I get to share some of that experience I've had with ATG thus far here tonight.